Hello, welcome to the Southern Flavor Kitchen, where everything we cook is full of flavor, baby. So today's video will be a sweet potato dump cake, and here are all the ingredients we'll be using. We have unsalted butter, eggs, a yellow cake mix. We have pure vanilla, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, evaporated milk, brown sugar, and we have sweet potatoes. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. Hype me up. If you're new to the channel for the first time and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our sweet potato dump cake recipe. Alright, my flavor crew, so we're going to jump to the first part of this video for our sweet potato dump cake. And we have a pan here. We have our sweet potatoes here. We're going to bake these in the oven, 400 degrees. You know, it all depends on the size of your sweet potatoes. Normally they take, 45 minutes to an hour depending on how big they are. But these are kind of small to medium, so hopefully they don't take that long to bake in the oven at 400 degrees. So we're gonna put some in our pan, put them in the oven and bake them. We're gonna need enough sweet potatoes baked to amount out to 3 to 4 cups. 3 to 4 cups for our sweet potato dump cake recipe. Also in the comment section below, let us know how y'all been doing and how life been treating y'all. I'm not gonna wash these pears because I'm not gonna eat the shell. You just want the inside, and they look pretty clean. So that should be more than enough to give me 3 cups of sweet potato mix. So like I said, I'm gonna put this in the oven and I'm gonna let it bake until they fork tender. So our potatoes are done baking. We're gonna let them cool off. Then we'll move on to the next step for our sweet potato dump cake recipe. So Flavor Squad, we're back. We allowed our sweet potatoes to cool off. We're gonna peel the skin off them and get them into our bowl. So we're gonna give our sweet potatoes a mix. Alright, so we have our potatoes mixed. We're gonna start adding seasoning and our brown sugar. So we're gonna go in with 1 cup of brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. But we'll go 1.5 teaspoons. And we're gonna add 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Simply gonna get us a mix. But before we mix it, we'll add our eggs. We got 3 large eggs. Now we'll give it a mix.
Talking till the first light of dawn, just like fate without no warning.
All right, my flavor squad. So we back. We got everything mixed up. We're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and we're simply gonna fold this in. Alright, so we have everything in our mixture for our sweet potato dump cake. We're going to move along to the next step, so y'all stay tuned. We have everything we need right here to get close to the end of this sweet potato dump cake recipe. So we have our sweet potato mixture here, we have our box yellow cake, we have our butter spray, and we have 2 sticks of butter. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put, well, first we're gonna spray our pan with our butter spray. Then we're gonna add our sweet potato mixture into the pan. Then we're gonna top it with our yellow cake mix that's completely dry. Then we're gonna pour melted butter over the top of that, and then we're gonna put it in the oven and bake it at 350 degrees until the top is golden brown. So let's get to it. That's our butter spray. Now I'm gonna go in with our sweet potato mixture. You to love me too. Oh, no, I can't hide it no more. Our yellow cake mixture. You to love me. Alright, so we're going to try our best to evenly spread our yellow cake mixture over the top of our sweet potato mixture. Alright, so as y'all can see, you really don't see any of the sweet potato mixture. So now we kind of can just put it on there and kind of evenly spread it out. Alright, so we're going to evenly spread it out. And you do want to be gentle. Alright, so we're going to melt our butter. Then we're going to pour our butter over top of it evenly. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, my flavor squad. So we back. We got our butter that was melted in the microwave. And what we're gonna do is, we got a little brush here. We simply gonna do this until we get a cover over the middle of it, and then we'll just pour it. Alright, so we got our butter on top of it. We're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees until the top is golden brown, and I will let y'all know the exact time that we bake this. Alright, my flavor squad, so we got our sweet potato dump cake out the oven. That's what she currently look like. We're going to let her cool off. Then once she cool off, y'all know what time it is. It's time for the taste test. And you know, we ain't gonna always give y'all her honest opinion. She ain't gonna sugarcoat it. She ain't gonna tell no lies. If she don't like it, she don't like it. If she like it, she like it. If she love it, she love it. So y'all stay tuned for that part. And also, I let this bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes. So altogether, 70 minutes at 350 degrees. Time may vary depending on your stove. So I just want to throw that in there. But there she goes. Okay, my flavor squad. So we're gonna jump into the taste test, and as always, Queen gonna give y'all her honest opinion. You ready, baby? Y'all look at that. Come on. And y'all, we have been eating this cake already. Like, yeah. I need more crust in there. I ain't know. Y'all, that crust is so good and crispy. Oh yeah.
Tastes like a sweet potato pie. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like eating a sweet potato pie.
It smells so good.
Good. If y'all like sweet potato pies, y'all like this one. It's just a sweet potato pie and cake thing.
Right.
And y'all know I love this with sweet potato pies. It's really good. The crust on it kind of remind you of like a cobbler crust. Yeah. So if you take a sweet potato pie and make it into a cobbler, that's what this is. But that's how that crust tastes, in my opinion.
Right. Same, I agree. It's just on a different level.
Right.
It's kind of like a deconstructed sweet potato pie, but in a whole different level. Like, it tastes so good, y'all. And you can taste the butter in the crust. Like, it is fire, y'all. Now, only thing you could do is drizzle some caramel on top of this, and salted caramel, and you'd be good to go.
Yep. Well, y'all see they like it because everybody been eating it already before he can even finish his video.
Yeah, they was digging in before I could finish the video. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell, set post notification to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video, release a video. Y'all already know the saying, Pops and Queen, we out. Peace.
Bye, y'all.